My name is Millie Gallacher, and my business idea is biodegradable plant pots. I fell in love with business when I was 13, and I've been growing my business ever since. Today I am here to pitch an exciting new product. Environmental sustainability has become a topic of conversation in recent years, meaning that people are growing more and more conscious of our individual role in the issue. One problem is that the fashion and textile industry is the second biggest polluter on the planet behind oil and fossil fuels. My product and brand targets environmental sustainability within the fashion and gardening industry. My business idea, biodegradable plant pots made from the fabric calico, would target this issue. Calico is made from half-processed and unbleached cotton fibers. Because of its unfinished state, there are often flecks of cotton seeds in the fabric that tend to have a cream or grey tinged finish. This makes it the perfect base to be dyed or printed on. Calico is very cheap due to its unfinished nature, and it's all natural, meaning that it will biodegrade. By using a biodegradable fabric such as calico, it means that my product can be put straight into the ground with the plant still inside. No need to change pots or risk transfer shock. My product works by utilizing the grow bag as a pot while the plant is still growing. Then when it's time to transfer the plant into a bigger pot or garden bed, you simply place the plant and pot directly into the ground. The pot will then biodegrade as the plant grows. I conducted market research in order to better understand the environmental considerations within the market of industrial consumers and the general public. According to the nursery and garden industry in Australia, the sustainable development of Australia's nursery and garden industry is a principal concern. This confirms that there is an opportunity for sustainable products within the market. Industry competitors include stores such as Bunnings that sell products including the Garden City plastic plant pot that cost $1.50 depending on the size. However, by using innovation to create a sustainable alternative in a similar price range, my product is competitive with the current market. The startup costs are rather minimal, as I already own the necessary equipment that I need, including a computerized sewing machine. The raw materials are not a large investment, as calico only costs $3 per meter in a regular fabric store such as Spotlight, and 1,000 meters of fully cotton thread costs $8 from regular retailers. The cost of equipment maintenance must also be taken into consideration. The cost price will vary depending on the size and style of the product, meaning that the sale price may need to be adjusted accordingly. One medium-sized grow bag will have a production cost of under 10 cents per unit. Based on the target market of both individual and industrial consumers such as plant nurseries, as well as the prices competitors, the sale price will be set at $1 per unit with bulk buy discounts. This allocates about a 90 cents profit. My target audience is the general public, industrial consumers such as plant nurseries, as well as anyone who will have plants in their home or business. Customers will be targeted through the use of social media marketing on platforms including Instagram and TikTok. A market stall will also be set up for the weekly market in my area. Customers will be attracted to my product as by using it they are saving time on repotting as well as ensuring that their gardens are sustainable. This could also provide a marketing point for small businesses. My products will be available to be purchased via an online store or in person at markets. My product is unique, innovative, and helps to solve a major problem. With little investment, your capital could give me the resources that I need in order to be able to produce my product efficiently and effectively. Thank you.